Let's take a look at that. Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda has called a meeting. All levels of operation preparedness are being taken in consideration. Nothing is being left for later. We have to be better prepared this time. Now, according to our sources, to discuss the availability of health services with senior officials. These constant huddles and meetings, remember, are looking at a step ahead. There will be a meeting with representatives, possibly of the pharma companies, is what we are told as well. This is, remember, as a precautionary measure, looking at any sort of eventuality, the availability of medicines, about resources. While our health sector has already been on a high alert, but there are these review meetings that are consistently taking place. So our Health Minister, J.P. Nadda, who's called this meeting specifically with regard to health services and senior officials. There will be a meeting with representatives of the pharma companies as well. This is, remember, not a panic button. This is to ensure that we stay ready just in case there is a situation of eventuality, because we've seen how the border areas are being targeted by Pakistan's forces. Piyush, I bring you in here. This is also a reminder to the viewer. This is not an alarm panic button. Understand why these meetings are taking place. This is to be ready and stay prepared. Piyush, tell me more about this meeting. Health Minister likely to meet senior officials of the Health Ministry as much as the pharma companies' representatives.
Well, Pooja, these meetings are specifically taking place after the meeting which was chaired by Prime Minister Modi yesterday. You would remember that he had spoken with all the secretaries of top ministries for having a synergy, for having a close coordination. And also it was a review meeting of preparedness in a hostile situation. And that is why after the directions those were issued by Prime Minister to all the secretaries, we are now seeing how other ministries are holding their different respective meetings. And Home Minister Amit Shah is chairing a meeting. Now what we are told is that BJP is the national president, and Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda is also going to chair a meeting with health officials and also with pharma companies. And these are the meetings looking at the preparedness of the nation and not to create any kind of panic. And these meetings keep on happening on time to time. And this is just to ensure that we are very much ready if there is any kind of emergency situation. Yesterday, PM Narendra Modi had held a meeting with various top secretaries across the country. He had asked all the secretaries to ensure that their ministries are very much ready to respond to any kind of emergency situation, and they are very much on their toes. If there is any kind of situation, we have to deal with it, and that is why these meetings are basically taking place. So since morning we have seen series of meetings taking place. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh holding a meeting, then Home Minister Amit Shah also holding a meeting, and now what we are told is that J.P. Nadda, who is also Union Health Minister, even he is holding meeting. In fact, different secretaries of different ministries, even they are holding their respective meetings of their respective ministry.
Piyush, stay on with me. Remember, Prime Minister Modi barely 24 hours ago organized these meetings with all main important ministries when it comes to especially civil defense. It comes to the operational preparedness and to ensure that India at all quarters are not just ready, but there's a synergy between the ministries.